Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. I'm your teacher Irum from Black Castle. Now, our subject is maths. Look at the white cloud. You can see. Yes. All right. Now, could you tell me what's the day today? Yes, today is Tuesday. And could you tell me what's the date today? Yes, today is 28 April 2020. Alright, now let's start tracing. You can see here are some curved lines and look how to trace these lines. Start from big dot, follow the arrows. Alright, now tick 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 tick. Trace it slowly, 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 slowly. Alright. Tick 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 tick. Come down. Now again go up. Alright. Don't up your pencil. Just trace it like this. Go up, 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 up. Tick 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 tick. And now move your pencil and come down. Tick 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 tick. Yes, again. Now go up. Up, 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 up. Now turn. Take a turn. Take a turn. And now come down. Tick 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 tick. Again go up. Up, 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 up. Now take a turn and come down. Alright. Now again go up, up, up. Trace it slowly, 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 slowly and follow the all dots and touch the star. Wow, look. Is it good? Now come to the next. Alright. Now start from big dot and go up, 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 up. Now tick 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 tick. Again up, up, up. Tick 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 tick. Again tick 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 tick. Trace it slowly, 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 slowly. Yes, look, I'm doing tracing. What I'm doing? Tracing. Yes. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Look, 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 look. I'm going to touch star. Yes. Tick, 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 tick. Yes. Look, I've done. Now, again, look at this big dot. Start from here and trace it. Slowly, 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 slowly trace the curve. Yes. Tick, 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 tick. Again, start from big dot and now trace it slowly, 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 slowly. Tick, 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 and touch the star. Wow, look, I've done. Okay. Now look at this page. Page number 7. This is your homework page. Alright. Kindly mothers mention the date and day on the top of the page. Alright students. This is your homework page. Complete this work. Alright. Now Allah Hafiz.